Charlotte is about to eat some food. Mama's getting ready. She's getting Charlotte's oatmeal and milk ready. We're hoping that she will take, hopefully, a spoon or two of oatmeal and milk and eat it, and hopefully she will like it. Charlotte's looking very closely at Mom as she mixes Charlotte's oatmeal.
3, 4.
Hey Charlotte.
Hey.
Charlotte has her little bib. Check it out. Here's the moment. What a beautiful moment.
Yeah.
Our beautiful daughter Charlotte, she took her first bite of food and ate it. Hey Charlotte. Hi baby. Wow. Here we go. There's another step forward in Charlotte's evolutionary process.
好吃吗？好吃吗，宝宝 ？It's warm, right? It should be warm because it's actually usually warmer than the regular. 好吃吗？好吃啊？啊？来一小口啊啊！
We think baby approves. We just spoke to her in Chinese and English. She approves. Yeah, I'm so proud. Wow. And then again.
1 tablespoon rice cereal and then 4 tablespoon formula.
Oh.
Sorry, it's a little messy. That's okay.
It's quite amazing for Charlotte's first time to eat solid food. She may not be enjoying it.
What do you
But
mean?
she
Of course
doesn't
she is
hate
enjoying
it.
it.
You think she is?
Yeah, right? It's yummy food.
Charlotte?
Not that face. Not that face.
Okay, that smile says something else.
手在这，手在这儿呢。你再来一
She'll
口，
get
宝
used
宝。
to it in time.
我再来一口啊啊，宝宝啊。走。
This is also the very first time that we're feeding Charlotte
喝水，宝宝。
plain water. We think she likes it. You be the judge. Did she take it? No, she's blowing bubbles.
No, I tried to give it to her. See? Look at that face. 吃了。哎，喝水。Bless you.
Bless you. I think Charlotte's having a really tough time with water because it's not milk anymore. There's oatmeal and then there's water. What happened all of a sudden? She grew up. But she's not liking it very much. And we understand. We respect that. We're very proud of our beautiful daughter. She had 4 or 5 bites of oatmeal and a little bit of water, all for the first time. She doesn't look very happy. I'm not sure why. But hopefully after her bath, she'll feel amazing. All thanks to Mama. She did all this.